Alex Pace here with AMP Steelworks, and today, in this episode of Doomsday Workshop, I'm going to teach you how to build the everyday items that you're going to need to get you through the apocalypse. First things first, you're going to need supplies, and a lot of them, which leads me to the first point. You need to go raiding. Oh yeah! Once you've dealt with the previous tenants, all their trash becomes your treasure. Now you're really looking for anything that can be scrapped and turned into useful everyday tools that are going to make your life easier in the near coming dystopian future. If you follow along with my videos, I'm pretty much going to make you the Gucci of the post-apocalypse. Now you're going to have to get creative when you're looking for items that you can use. For example, here we go. Excellent. Mower blade. Very valuable. One thing you're going to want to note is all the rust on this mower blade. That's good, because there's no cure for tetanus in the post-apocalypse, so leave that on there. Remember, first things first, always make sure you're wearing your proper PPE, even after the bombs drop. Now, we're going to go ahead and just heat this thing up, and I'm going to flatten out that lip there. You're going to want to get that real red, and we're just going to beat on it with a hammer. Now, you're really going to have to just beat the shit out of it, because these things are tough. All right, now once you've beaten this thing like it owed you money, and who knows, maybe it does. I don't know your situation. It doesn't have to be perfect, because neither are you. We're gonna take this thing, we're gonna get an angle grinder. We're gonna go ahead and start shaping our blade. All right, now that we got the blade just kind of honed in, I'm gonna go ahead and mark and then where I wanna carve out, yeah, that's gonna look badass. We'll do like a little bit, make that kind of sharp too, because that's gonna look cool. Now remember, after the world ends, style points are still important. It's just like Nintendo. Badass. All right, next thing we want to do is put some sort of handle on this thing, so you don't want to be grabbing the sharp bit with tetanus. So I'm just gonna kind of draw out about where I want it. We're gonna say, yeah, why not? Somewhere around there. Yeah, sweet. So basically you can see my handle fit on there. It's nice and round, smooth. You want good comfort when you go on your next raids. I mean, it can take a little while. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut that out and clean that up a little bit, and then we'll finish it out over there on the sand wheel. Got it kind of roughed in. We're gonna go ahead and start kind of smoothing it out, making it so you don't get a bunch of metal in your hands. That's not cool.
All the best weapons have names, and it's about this point in the build that you're going to want to start coming up with one for this guy. But it's got to be something real slick, like the Landscaper.
Nice and roughed in. We're going to go ahead and finish this thing out on our sand wheel right here. The next step, we're going to put a handle on this guy. Found some leather scraps over here. Yeah, you can make leather or you can find it. I'm basically just going to wrap this thing around the handle. I'm going to push it through here maybe. We'll tie that off later. Let's see. Make sure we get enough slack out of there. I'm just going to crisscross it. All right, next thing we're going to do is add ourselves a little cross guard. I just found some random hardware laying around, and yeah, we're going to use that. Bam! There you have it. Done. That's a cross guard. Look at that. Woo! You can tie it to stuff. You can whack things. That's awesome. You're going to survive for sure. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it brought you a little bit of entertainment in your most boring apocalypse ever. Lame. Anyway, hit us up, like us. I'm going to probably give this to somebody at some point. Hope you enjoyed. Have fun. Damn.